Have you ever heard about soul water? The soul water of a spring in this video has several therapeutic properties, including improving skin, joint, and digestive disease, as well as helping to relieve muscle problems and women's diseases. Yeah, you can see some handsome stone with different colors in the mountain that is giveaway from this strange water. The spring has a sour and salty taste due to the presence of mineral salts in the water, and is also traditionally used to make komak bread. Because of the presence of salt and needed the salt for the action of fermentation for making bread, it's very good to cook bread. Use this water and cook bread. Properties of sour water near Khazri of Guyana that is located on southern Khorasan in Iran is treatment of skin diseases. It's very effective to improving some skin diseases due to the mineral properties, reducing joint pain and rheumatism. The sour water of this spring can be effective in reducing joint pain and rheumatism due to its inflammatory properties. You can see some transparent water that give away from the mountain. The stones are very different color, and you can see salt at the middle of these stones. It's very good for improving digestive diseases. Consuming this water can be useful in improving some digestive problems and disorders related to the internal glands. Sour water of this spring may help to relieve muscle problems. You can see road at the near of this spring. It's very attractive and enjoyable. Local people use this water to make komak bread also because of presence of the salt. The water of this spring is clear and transparent, but after a while it may change color and become dark. The spring is located in a mountainous environment and has several openings with a high water flow rate. The type of spring is mineral and non-potable with a sour and salty taste. I advise you to travel into Iran and also subscribe me for making these videos like the sour water. Thank you.